What's up, you guys? Thanks for joining me on this ride. So today we're doing Blackstar Canyon. For now, this is all relatively flat, pretty mellow ride up until you get to the uphills. Try to get here early. We get a lot of hikers coming through here. Got some here. Gotta say what's up to the locals. We mountain bikers, we always get a bad rap from hikers, so gotta try to score some points where we can. With that being said, this is a pretty easy trail, great for beginners. I started out here myself. Pretty tough at first, but it's doable. So we're gonna try to get up to that white ball. It's kind of hard to see, but it's up there. That white ball, it's a big satellite. Those who have done it, they know it's tough to get up there, but definitely worth it. Usually takes me about 2.5 hours, give or take, depending on how many breaks I take on the way up, but it's about 15 miles to get to the white ball and back to your car. There's a ton of hidden trails along the way, so I'll be posting the video of me taking those trails. They're a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that, guys. If you don't have the time to make it all the way up there, just do some repetitions, go up and down a few times, as far as you can get up, and then go down, get some adrenaline and some blood flowing, go back up again. Do that a couple times and I guarantee you'll definitely build up some stamina and some strength. We also get a lot of wildlife on this trail. You get here early enough, you see some deer through here. I've seen vultures. We get a ton of rabbits. Always crossing through the trail, so watch out. Try not to run any over. We also get some peacocks. If you're lucky enough to see them, just over this turn right here. As soon as we cross over the bridge, they usually like to hang out over on the right-hand side. I didn't get to catch any on film this time, but it's all good. We're not here for them. Right here, this is peacock country. Also, I've never seen them myself, but this is mountain lion country as well, so gotta watch out for that. So make sure you bring a lot of water. If you can, try to get here early, beat the heat, and enjoy the ride, guys. I'll stop talking. I'll let you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this music. Just one more thing, you guys. The hiking trail is coming up. If you guys ever want to take the family out or go out with some friends, get a nice little hike going, the hiking trail is over here to the right hand of this sign. So you work your way down, go through some boulders, and there's a nice little waterfall all the way at the end. Of course, that's depending if there's been some rain the past couple days. Other than that, we got some uphill to do, so get your climbing boots on, get those climbing gears ready, and let's get to work.
Ouais, pense à résoudre. All about the music. Alright, so you're going uphill, hard climbing. This place finally tells you going. It's a little downhill action. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Closer. Where are we? Maybe. Hopefully. Deep fissures right here. Definitely something to look out for. Choose your lane. All the way up here. Right there. It's pretty steep. Oh my goodness. This is it. Oh. This is why we're here. This is it, you guys. Blackstar Canyon. It's a lot bigger up here, ain't it?
Alright, you guys, what goes up must come down. Make sure you follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be posting all the downhill action in my next video. This is just a little teaser. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and check out my next video. It'll be a lot more adrenaline filled. So drop some comments, let me know what you think, and see you next time.
Gotta take some pressure out. Tighten the grip a bit.